Hello and welcome. In this video, I would like to show you backstep facing flow in COMSOL Multiphysics. There are many schematic photos on the internet. This is an example of COMSOL Multiphysics, and I'm going to teach you this example step by step. I'm going to click on 2D, then I'm going to click on turbulent K-epsilon model. Also, solution is stationary. In this section, I'm going to create two rectangles with optional dimensions. Two rectangles are better to be united. Fluid domain is water. Now it's time to define inlet and outlet. And finally, I'm going to click on compute. I want to see the contour flow. So I'm going to right click on velocity, then I'm click on streamline. Sorry, I was wrong. I have to choose a start point control. Okay, now we can see the contour of flow. In type drop and down, I'm gonna click on arrow. Now we can see better the direction of flow. Thank you for watching.